Here is tip number 2 and how to keep your marriage
spicy,
not icy. And tip 2 is
trust and respect.
Yes.
2 very important things.
That's right. So how do you do it?
You develop it by really thinking highly of the other person and speaking well of them because of who they are. Like I even remember like the other day I was having a bad day and I was sort of acting like a baby a little bit. And being a little grumpy and cranky.
Yeah.
Somebody asked you, oh, is Al doing okay? And you said, oh yeah, he's doing fine. He's just having a bad day or whatever. Anyway, you spoke very well about me. And afterwards, when I smartened up and I apologized to you, I thought, you know what? That was very nice. That was very kind. Very respectful the way you...
I didn't tell them that you're having a bad day. I just said that you had a long day and that you needed to go home and you had been working all day.
Even better.
Which was the truth and probably was why you were cranky.
Uh-huh. Well, maybe there was more to it.
Yeah, maybe. The other thing I was thinking about was like not telling my mom or any of my best friends anything about you that would be sideways. Because I want them to think very well of you and not to have bad thoughts in their head when they think about you. Diminish who you are.
Name calling is never a good thing because you can never take those names back, right? And you say something to the other person and then you're like, gosh, I wish I never said that. I
know. And the truth is that it's probably easier not to start doing it than to backtrack. Better just to never have said it.
Yeah.
That is tip number 2 and how to keep your marriage
spicy,
not icy.